Welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and Merry Christmas. As you can see in the background, I am getting my home ready for the holidays. It's a long process, but it's enjoyable, and we're getting some lights up and everything. But it's Christmas. I must wish you Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and my followers and all of you who support me. It's my fifth year on YouTube, and I have like 500 recipes out there, which I hope you'll check out and give me a comment. Just let me know if they work, and if you need to add something to them, you can do your own thing with it, and it might come out better than the way I put it out. Anyway, it's Christmas, and we're going to be doing some Christmas cakes. I'm going to be doing a nice black cake, but this rum black cake, Christmas cake, however we call it, is going to be done with almond flour. I'm going to continue my almond flour baking binge with this Caribbean rum cake. So let's go to those ingredients. And I thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Let's go to those ingredients and get that cake done. Well, first I must tell you, I'm continuing my almond flour baking binge that I've been doing for some time now. And I'm going to be using almond flour in this black cake. And it's going to be gluten-free, which is a good thing. But we're going to use this. The rest of the ingredients are going to be the same. Only the almond flour is going to be the difference for this traditional black cake. So, here are the ingredients. I have here 2 cups. I'm making a small cake. I have here 2 cups of almond flour. That's the almond flour right there. I have 6 eggs. We'll use some butter. I have half a pound of butter, 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, orange zest, and lemon zest and orange zest. I'm going to use some almond extract in there since we're going with the almond flour. I need some orange extract, which I have here. I'm going to list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below and give you some directions. This is nutmeg. The nutmeg, I love we love the flavor of nutmeg. So that's a must-have spice. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I have here vanilla bean paste, which I'll use. I have vanilla bean paste. So this is going to enhance the flavor also. Clove powder, ground clove powder. That's going to enhance the flavor. And this is the baking powder. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder in there. Some mace powder. This is another enhancer for the flavor of that rum cake. Here I have some molasses. You need that molasses. I have 2 tablespoons of molasses, and this is the burnt sugar, the caramel, which is going to give it that dark, nice color, and I have 2 tablespoons of that. The star of the show, this is the marinated fruits, prunes, currants, raisins, and apricots, and all that. Marinated, blended with some rum and port wine, and it's been sitting for at least 6 to 8 weeks. You can do it for a year if you want. You can do it for as long as you want, because it's going to be in that rum mixture. So this is Angostura bitters. You need some Angostura bitters. And over here that's the port, and I have a mixture which And this is a mixture of the port and the white rum, the Bacardi rum, which I'm going to spray the cakes with when it comes out of the oven. As soon as it comes out of the oven, it just needs to be sprayed. So I'm going to use my stand mixer. I have my prepare my pan. I prepared my pan here already. So always prepare your pan and set your oven, preheat your oven. This is going to bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So we have some time to go now. So let's get started with the mixing of the ingredients. Into the stand mixer. I'm threading it with my paddle attachment here. In goes the sugar. We have to get the sugar and the butter creamed well and nice and smooth. So this is the first step that we're going to get going. This is going to take maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, and before we can add the other ingredients as we go along. So let's get our butter and sugar in here, and then we'll add our eggs one at a time. So there we go. I'll be back. Well, I've started to add the eggs. Add them two at a time and just let them get incorporated into the sugar and butter. As you know, we must stop and clean the edges down, clean the sides down, and clean your panel, just to make sure that everything is being done evenly. So now that we have our eggs incorporated into the flour and the butter, the orange zest, we'll put our aromatics in. The orange zest and the lemon zest. Just put that in there. We're going to get the orange extract. Put a few dashes of that, maybe about a half a teaspoon, because that's a potent thing. And some of the almond extract, about a half a teaspoon of that, because we want to get that eggy flavor. We have to get rid of that eggy flavor. Next is the vanilla extract, the vanilla bean paste. Get the vanilla bean paste in there also. Oh, we'll give this a mix. So while our eggs are still beating with the flour, with the butter and the aromatics, we're going to mix our dry ingredients together. The baking powder goes in, the mace powder, the nutmeg, the clove powder. We're going to give this a whisk. They all go into the almond flour. Get this almond flour nice and fragrant and seasoned. And mix it all in here. To the egg mixture, I'm going to add the molasses. And to add the molasses, it's going to start to take on some color. Let that go for a while, and then we'll start putting our flour in. Start to put the flour in here. So the flour is well incorporated, and we now add our caramel or burnt sugar. I'll just add half of it, and then I'll see what color I have, and then I'll come back and see if I need the rest of it. So we're now going to give this a mix. We're doing great here. So guess what? We're now going to put the fruits in. Star of the show. Let's just get them in there. Get all those fruits in there. That lovely rum scent. Fragrance is awesome. Let's give this a mix. Depending on how dark you want it, you can add more of the burnt sugar or the caramel. I'm looking at it right now. I think I have a very good color here, because when it bakes, it's going to even get darker. So we'll just give this a mix, and this is almost done. The batter is almost done mixing. And we'll let it go for a heat for about a minute, and then we'll be ready to pour. Not forgetting the splash of Angostura. If I can get the bottle open. Hot water on some plastic covers. Plastic bottle cover always works. So just need a few splashes. Get that flavor in there, that fragrance and that flavor. So I think that's a good color. Or maybe we need some more. What do you think? It's going to get darker as it I just put just a little more. Just a little. Okay, so let's move over to our pan and we pour the batter into the pan and we'll go from there. Get it into the oven. This is the finished product. My Christmas cake made with almond flour. The almond flour cake, almond flour rum cake. This is the final result. Looks wonderful, tastes great. So once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you for watching. So here we are, guys. This is my gluten-free rum cake, my gluten-free Christmas rum cake. The black cake that we usually have on Christmas, but this one is made with almond flour, so it's gluten-free. And we'll see what it looks like on the inside. Let's get it all up. Here we go. Awesome. Awesome. You would not believe it's made with almond flour. It's so moist inside. So moist, I even put some slivered almonds on top. And once it comes out of the oven, you just spray it with the rum and the wine solution. That's fantastic. So let's give it a try and get some gluten-free Christmas cake going. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. Merry Christmas.